Good morning. We are Pinglia brother. I am Gursarinder Pinglia. See, this is United States flag. I buy here restaurant over there. Burn building. Everything electronic. 15 days. Watch the cloudy weather over there in United States. Pinglia brother, how much in on life lie या truth? You lie with make hotel, motel, restaurant, making a school. Truth with him. See this one, that property closed. Truth. I request him, President Joe Biden, Baba Nihal Singh, Baba Harnaam Singh, Tallan Shahidan da Stan, Zila Jalandhar, Baba Deep Singh, Baba Noor Singh. I talk to him every time. Truth. Truth with Pinglia family life narc over there in Franklin Township they make. Joe Biden in the White House area. Here is a Dr. Clock. He catch the deed Sasi Kant. He take signature wrong after the honor. He never pay penny. Crime Hindu people grow up. Where is Mark Bystone in Supreme Court, Circle Court judge? They have history. He make the deed. Judge John Robert, his court with him. They have case running. Robert S. Mueller, Elliot Switzer, Michael Tiger over there going. Everything they sue case approve after he said I come down in the chair down. After ms4.com they make the deed. He got corruption money $380,000. After he said George W. Bush time, he take case United Nation. I don't know where is the United Nation now. They knows him where is Pinglia brother case running. When you are lie, then they give him in the hard flower. You make the money. Pinglia brother, day by day make the movie. See this one, they put it on light over there with solar. Now in world has a technology coming. Where is bulb? They have video system, camera system, recording system. In government office, each government officer, his table, they put it on the light over there camera. How much he work, how much he got the corruption, yeah, crime grow up in United States. Lot of technology coming. Great China they give him. I have no power. That's why I am prayer. Baba Nihal Singh, Baba Harnaam Singh, Tallan Shahidan da Stan, Baba Deep Singh. Maybe I am bad man. I are die here in this country. How many people are involved with this one? Everything open. They make the deed. How many judge they get the corruption money? Put his table in head. They have bulb over there making the recording video system. in South Plainfield Township. There are how many people coming over there? Murder crime, 8 men coming. India government, yeah, Sasi Kant, they give him money. 8 men coming in the midnight. Supreme Court judge Mark Whitestone, they close the both side road. After they kill him, they burn the building. Nobody knows. All children, man, family, Pinglia, roasted. Nobody knows. Judge John Robert, he knows everybody kill him. He is the witness in the South Plainfield Township, 2-acre land. Bird live over there. And Robert S. Mueller in the case between running. That one, he moving Akarian people, Atwadi over there, they parking truck trailer. Here they have truck standing, they stolen the truck, Akarian people. You bring a lot of Atwadi in the United States. After midnight, one in the black man coming, big barrel gun with him. Daytime, 11 o'clock, we cut over there, 3046, 3047, South Clinton Avenue. Bushes cut, one car over there coming, one white ladies and man, one black man. He's seat with him, sleeping, I watch him that time. Same night, big barrel gun, who gave to him the gun? Black man, African guy, he brings special in this country. My dog, body they cut him after he run away. He has a plan. When they catch Robert S. Mueller, he said wait over 2 hours. He the sex scandal man. Amarjeet Singh, Jaspal family, Long Island, they make the deed. FBI, they give to him the job. Now see my face. I every day go to the port. Where I am the Atwadi. Atwadi never walking. Atwadi has drug like a White House. You have 6 January, they have video. Joe Biden family has video, everybody said no. Where I am talk to him the no. Resolve my case, this is bad luck, bad time coming technology with him. This is United States flag. Now you are people, Red Sea with him fighting. Son, I am 40 years in this country. Every prime minister, president coming, they are fighting. Muslim people, Muslim country with him. Now in the Red Sea people, all Muslim people, they are die, yeah, United States die. His one income sources, you cross over there, pay the money. Red Sea with him. He need money. You need money, bring over there, put in the container, make money. Where is Pinglia brother income sources? You income sources close after people bad work. We are never bad work. We have a lot of patient in United States. In this country, my father kidney sold. Dr. Kasuri Amarjeet Singh Jaspal. United States, FBI, every movement, he need corruption money. He don't get the country. Crime grow up in this country. My father kill him, I never bad work. You people, any black man with him, little fighting, They have a lot of protest, bridge broken, building broken, fire broken. I bear I am the bad work, I bear I am the protest. Never. I have a lot of patience. I have a lot of experience on my life. Now you people, bad luck, Red Sea with him. Maybe he start the first nuclear, then he is safe. In United States start the nuclear, he is safe. Both country with him fighting. In your every movement lie. How many prime minister, president they have income sources? George W. Bush, he making a 9/11, he sitting in the school, they have video. Evening time, all paper, government on paper they burn. TV channel they give to the news. This is my Hadbiti, Punjabi said, talk to him, Hadbiti story on life. My Hadbiti pain, I have body as pain. I never say nothing. I trust in the God, that's why I am taking with him, God only. In your habits, every time, bad thinking. You help in the Sansang Chadwal drug guy. Corruption, money, drug. Indian Sikh Manmohan Singh, his daughter. She make the deed after said nobody born. Born 1, 2, 3 technology with him. Now you people, school close, making the warehouse. Technology very fast grow up. No need school now. Children has a experience, is a great man. Very soon you close the school. Just take care only children. 5 or 6 years, he knows how can we run the phone. He make own experience. Manmohan Singh, 550 acre with make the hospital. 1 rupee with him. Any dead body inside, he said, I am your father. Operation, make money. School, hospital, they have on private people. Please resolve my case. This is bad luck, bad time coming very soon. I am prayer every moment. Technology very fast. Making warehouse. Children who has experience. No need education, just need telephone experience. Making building. Please, India government has how much corruption money, 40% reservation. They making duplicate Hindu. Where is my religion? My religion said, you talk to him truth. My father teacher, mother said, talk to him truth. Where I am talking truth? Judge said, talk to him truth. Chamkaur Sahib, my brother, punishes ladies. His father, they catch him with Pinglia brother case, Ropar district. Leg broken, body broken, after they throw him outside. His daughter, 40% STC. Crime, 40% grow up. Their reservation, you have no experience, unqualified, make the mayor village to village, reservation with him. That's why crime grow up in India. Indian people in United States coming, lot of crime grow up. Making a deed after day by day, here the people they have attacked South Plainfield and here Trenton, Rajesh Roger Chowk, Atwadi. One lady is coming here in her Give to him money. She is coming like a dictator. Thank you. Bye. Everything video system. Making balla with him on your recording at your house. Government officer. They making a reservation या corruption money. Stolen money या TV channel they give to him the wrong news. Technology very fast grow up. Resolve my case. This is bad luck. Red sea with him. I am prayer. Thank you. See my face. Who said I am the Atwadi? Atwadi has lot of things bad. Thank you. I am spear God. Anybody need TV channel India, I give to him the on my news. Manmohan Singh and Prakash Singh Badal Maharaja Patiala, they many times try to kill my family over there. God, they save him. I have a lot of patient. That's why I never bad work. I am prayer only. Baba Nihal Singh, Baba Arnam Singh, Tallan Shahidan da Stan, Baba Deep Singh. Be your truth, ya lie, then you take everything. Arjala my case, this is bad luck. Bad technology with him. In the United States I am coming. 40 years. You people, Iraq, Libya war, 40 years I see him. Everything video system. Thank you. Bye. Please resolve my case. This is bad luck. Bad time coming with the sun. Thank you. 13 January 24. I don't know. Maybe they have Lodi over there. Thank you.